Hi, it's editing Des. Sorry, my lovelies. My mic wasn't the best in this video, so that's part of the reason why it took me so long, because I'm editing it and I'm looking at listening to it. I thought I could fix it with computer work and I can't, but I already took the time to make it, and remaking it's kind of difficult. So we're gonna call it a throwback clip, and hopefully you can muddle through the weird and static that pops up every now and then, but it's genuine. Trust me. Hello, my little wonder freaks. Welcome back. I'm going to be trying out Serendipity Nails, which is a nail powder. And this is my first time owning nail dip powders or doing them. So I've been trying to get better at it. I'm not gonna lie, the first couple times I did it, it looked terrible. And they said it's supposed to be easy as 1, 2, 3, and that it's supposed to last about like 6 weeks. I feel like with the right person it could, but I'm the type of person that like breaks nails left and right. The same day I get a pain is the same day it's getting chipped. So I'm gonna bear with this, but it's supposed to be like gel, right? And I think it's the way I'm doing it, so I'm gonna try and see if I'm like more patient with it and neater, that these nails will come out nice and tasty. But I'm gonna chat as I do this. It comes with the activator, which is step 2, the base and top coat, which is 1, and then this was an additional thing I got, which is just a top coat. And I got these 2 powders. I also got a third one. I'm gonna insert a clip so you can see it. Okay, so take that out, brush this on like that, get a little dip in. Okay, see, that's not as evenly as I would like, but you're supposed to do it twice, so let me see if I can just brush it on better this time to get a better even coat. I feel like this step is the key, because you know what they say, a weak foundation bound to fall. Okay, that's not terrible. I'm just gonna use this to make it look prettier. Okay, I'm gonna put the activator on. So it's bottom, dip, activate. And this is what's supposed to keep it from not chipping, essentially. Okay, so we have our activator on. I'm gonna let that sit and move on to the next thing. Finger. So even coat. Little dip. Oh, see, that one came out better. Even coat. So yeah, I think it's all about this step right here that determines how your nails come out. I also have this powder. By powder brush, I mean this makeup brush, which I definitely wash it after. I haven't really used it since I've been trying to do this anyway. I kind of wish I did this when I first tried it, so that way everyone can react with me, or I can react with you, depending on how you look at that. Oh, maybe I am getting better at it. Look at that! That's even 2! Okay. Try to keep this as neat as possible, which is always the hard part for me. I'm the person that gets nail polish all over the place, and then, only then, do I actually clean it up. So, okay, I don't know what the last thing I said was, but I think we're still in the same fingers, so that's good. Anyways. Oh, dang, I don't remember what the last thing I said was. But, yeah, so they talk about easy as 1, 2, 3, which I feel like it's just not. I got powder all over my face. Oh my gosh. I would do that. That's awkward. Okay. On the last little pinky. Wow, I really almost dipped that brush in the powder. That's not embarrassing at all. It's okay. If I didn't do that, would it be me? Okay, so I didn't get it evenly, so I'm trying to fix it so that way when I dip it a second time, it comes up even. Oh, it worked! Okay. That's convenient. That's really convenient. So what I wonder about using this like dip powder system is if I were to like file it, like if it doesn't come out as smooth as I want and I file it down, would that make it smoother? As if like a correction, like a smudge fixer. Okay, we're gonna top coat this now. Honestly, if any of you guys know a method of doing this so that it comes out beautiful, let me know. Like a hard to mess up way. Because if you give me something, I can find a way to mess it or break it. It's sad but true. Not saying it's something to be proud of, but I'm always ashamed of it, you know? It's like I'm your tester. I'll let you know if your product's a failure. If it can appeal to the widest audiences. Because this is how we dry our hands here. Yes. Look girl. 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 Okay, I guess I'm doing all black. My plan was to do like a sparkly black and the all black because I wanted to use both of these, but I honestly forgot to use this one. So it's okay, girl. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, time to the next hand. So the hard one is always the right hand because I'm not left-handed. But we're gonna see. I broke my right hand once, so you know, there was a time when I had to be left-handed. All right. So first, I'm not even gonna take this nail polish off, which probably makes me like the most cringiest person for some of you. But I'm a hot mess. Hence the wonder circus that is my life. Okay, layer number 1. Oh, not bad, not bad. Ooh. I don't know what happens if I activate it for every layer, you know? But I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna do layer number 2. Hopefully it comes out as beautifully as the first layer. Regardless of the fact that I'm using my left hand. It reminds me of like old movies. By old, I mean like 90s and 2000s, where the guy would hit on the girl and she would be like, you have a left hand, use it, you know? But you know, this isn't technically the same scenario, but like the phrase can apply. It can apply, but not for the, you get it. All right, on to the next one. I'm gonna put my hand down before I mess it up. Trying not to miss the spot. Oh, I got it on my cuticle. That's the worst thing I could have done. Okay, it's not ugly. Round 2. Alright, round 2 is the makeup. Round 3. And yes, I did just fix my sitting position. I was slouching. That was terrible. Okay. The little activator. Honestly, none of this stinks except for the activator. That's the only thing that actually smells like nail polish. Everything else is kind of like, eh. Like, if you didn't want people to, like, wake up or something to you painting your nails, or the smell of you painting your nails, the activator would be your giveaway. In all honesty. Okay. We're on the middle finger now. We're on the middle finger now. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm so excited. I don't know what happens if I just do 2 at once and, you know? Is that forcing it? Boom. Boom. Oh, yes. She looks fine. One day, I will have a decent length for nails. You know, a length that's like really pretty. But it's really pretty, but utility, you know? That's my goal for my nails. I want a decent length with utility. Cause I know girls usually get like long nails and stuff, like really long nails. Like the best example I got is like Cardi B. I'm not about that lifestyle. Even if it's like an inch above my finger, I can't do it. I have to be able to type. I kind of want to learn though because I like the almond shape, the pointy ones. I think the pointy ones look cute. Second layer for the pinky. Okay. Now we'll activate all these bad boys. Oh, she looking nice.
Okay, so we just left with the top coat on. We just finished the activator on these bad boys. And my dog wanted to say hi. Can't really pet him, but hi, Reese's. Okay.
What? Okay. I was gonna say boys will be boys, but dogs will be dogs, I guess. What? What do you see? Okay. Time to put on this bad boy. Do, 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 do. Okay, not gonna lie, the top glue kind of smells too. But not as bad as the activator to me. Oh. I know this is not my specialty. Okay. So if I want to overdo these ones, we like this one. This one on this side. Maybe a little bit there too. That's the whittle. Oh, and I completely missed this spot. See what I mean? It's not my profession. Cosmetologist, you got it. Okay. So all I have to do is, when this dries, wash my hands, get rid of any excess stuff. But one thing I did notice is, one, when I put the activator on, if I have the powder like all over my hand, I try not to let the activator touch it because then it gets real hard. Two, you can feel when the activator is working, like you can feel it getting harder. I don't even know how to explain that, how I know, like it's just your nail itself, you can feel it. You know. You know it's working. You know what I'm talking about. You know. And if you don't want to know, I'll leave a link down below so you can try it with me. But yeah, I think I only paid like 30 something or 30 plus shipping. No, something like that. Okay, so the gist of it all is, one, I hope you enjoyed that little spiel of me struggling to use a dip powder. This brand was the first time I've ever tried to use dip powders. I just thought it'd be a cool thing to try. You know, I wanted to support like smaller businesses and stuff like that. And I'm just not good at it. I know some people, they do dip powders and it honestly lasts them for a really long time, basically until they take it off. But I'm just not one of those people. I put it on, it comes off in like 4 or 5 days, which for me is impressive because I put on nail polish and I'm taking it off in the next 2 days because once it chips, I want it off. I don't know what to say about that, but it's true. And the only thing that's ever really lasted me is gel polish. I gotta say, gel is worth the little pennies or dollars or bills, depending on how you're doing your nails. But honestly, that's the only thing that really lasts for me. But if you are good at using dip powders, I definitely recommend them because they're not expensive and when you get like the first little package, you get like options. So I'll put their link down below, but last time I checked the site, they are actually not operating too well. Not too well, but they're not in full operation right now because of COVID, so they kind of taken like a break. So I'll put their link down below just in case COVID is magically gone by the time you see this video, so you can go boom boom, check it out. And other than that, I'm going to be putting other links for dip powders down. I know this one girl makes not only like the stick-ons and stuff for manicures, she also makes press-ons. And I personally like press-ons because I'm not damaging my actual nail, and I get to have a manicure for a couple days, like 2. So I feel cool. I feel like all those girls that, you know, get like their acrylics and fill-ins and all that. And once they start to frustrate me, I can just take them off. I don't have to worry about spending $40 and then taking it off. No, because that would have been a waste of money. I spend like $10 at most. Put them on, take them off, boom. Put them on, make my little video, go to my little outing, be cool, then I just take it off. Boom. So, thank you for making it this far. If you made it this far, feel free to like, subscribe, you know, comment down below, all those goody things. And actually, if you're good at making dip powders, not making dip powders, I mean, if you can make dip powders, let me know. But if you're good at using them and you have any tips, like a little pro tips for some ways I could improve myself, feel free to let a girl know. I'm always looking for like some knowledge and improvement. Anyways,